Hello everyone, today I will show you how to export video as MP4 in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. After editing your video, go to the Deliver page by clicking on the Deliver tab at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. On the left side under Render Settings, you can select the render options. For entire timeline, choose Entire Timeline. For a specific part of the video, select Custom Range and enter the start and end points. In the render settings, you will see a few export templates. Choose Custom Export. In the File Name field, give your video a name. Click Browse and choose the location where you want to save the video, such as your desktop or a specific folder. Then click Save. Under the Video tab, set the format to MP4. For the codec, select H.264. Make sure Single Clip is selected. Leave the encoder set to automatic. Set your desired resolution. You can adjust the frame rate as well if needed. Once you have set everything, click Add to Render Queue at the bottom. On the right side, click Start Render. The rendering process will begin, and the DaVinci Resolve will export your video as an MP4 file. Once the render is complete, go to the location where you saved the video. You will find your MP4 file ready to play or share. And that is everything you need to know about how to export video as MP4 in the DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.